Hey everyone, I'm Mr. Y, and here's a true story about why saving and smart spending matter. Some years ago, I fell off a 6-foot step ladder. 4th rung, full pouch of tools, landed with the front of my foot on a decorative rock. I ripped my Achilles halfway and tore half my calf muscle. Unlike a clean break, I couldn't just fix it. 8 months before the pain even started to fade. Before I healed, I still had to work just to make money, and trust me, I wouldn't wish that kind of long-term pain on anyone. Because I hadn't been careful enough with my finances, that recovery nearly ruined me. Just like my injury, poor money habits or no savings can drag out your struggles way longer than they should. Smart spending means preparing for setbacks, investing in what matters, and having a safety net, so one bad day doesn't turn into months of hardship. Think about your money like your health. Take care of it now, so you can keep moving forward when life knocks you down. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and tap the bell. And check my bio for more solid finance tips you can use right now. Let's keep building smart habits together, one step at a time.